Defibrillator is a device that gives a high energy electric shock to the heart if someone who is in cardiac arrest. This high energy shock is called defibrillation, and it's an essential part in trying to save the life of someone who is in cardiac arrest. It's a battery chamber. There are one compartment chamber for holding a battery. At first, remove the battery level paper carefully, and the holder must also make electrical connect with the battery terminal. Now introduce monitor operation, shock button, connector socket, status display, battery compartment, setup menu, hand-free defibrillator and pad. Here, defibrillator pedal, ECG lead, SpO2 sensor, cable, connector, connecting socket. Now I connect the SpO2 and ECG connector. Now press the power button with time 3 or 4 seconds for ready this machine, and you can select multi-parameter energy state like 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 300 and 360 joule. Patient resistance 23 to 200 ohms. Charging time within 6 seconds. Now keep this pedal in your hand and select energy state and press the apex button for charging. When machine ready for shock, then apply patient body and press release button. Okay, how many times can a defibrillator be used? You can use a defibrillator for as a long time as there are replacement parts available. The end of life for a defibrillator comes from when the manufacturer can be no longer obtain parts like electrodes, pads, batteries, displays or other accessories. Thanks for watching and subscribe to join our team biomedical family.